Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the table. Basically, Loyverse doesn't have table layout represent on the screen like this. So what you do is you can choose the you can predefine the table. So I did it on the back end. On the back end, I make table 1, 2, bar 1, bar 2, table 3. You can even make more like table 4 and then save. Okay, so now we have table 1, 2, 3, 4, bar 1, bar 2, right? And go back to Loyverse. So what you do is you order something. So the customer order iced cappuccino. Instead of charge, which is collect money, people want to sit first, right? So we save and we choose the table that you want, table 4, for example. And then another customer come in, you order some maybe frappe, mocha, and this one is at the bar. So now if the first customer want to check, so we just go to open ticket and go to table 4 and then we charge normally, and then we, for example, it's a credit card, so we choose card. It will print the receipt. No, can't see, it's so dark. But anyway, that's how it works. And if you want to see how many tables are still open, so you go to open ticket, you see the bar open. They want to order more, you can go order more and save. And when they want to check, you just go to open ticket and go to that table and you can check out. The only difference for Loyverse is that it doesn't have like graphical interface for the table layout like some software have. But what they do is you can predefine tables. You can set as many table as you want. You can and then when you can have a lot more. You can have more table, but they call it ticket. They don't call it table, but you can name it table, bar, or whatever. So what you do is you predefine here. Predefine. Just that's it. Hope you get the idea.